Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy A16 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to change short notifications in your phone Samsung Galaxy A16 5G. Notifications will be shown in an order like priority and time. Okay, if you would like to change notifications by sorting by priority or by time, yes, you can do it. What you to do is just go to the settings of your phone first here and then go to notifications here. Here we will find short notifications by priority. By default it is set to by priority. If you would like to set by time, okay, click on the next one by time, so that it will be sorted out by the time priority. Okay, so in this way you can easily change short notifications preferences in your phone Samsung Galaxy A16 5G. Either you can schedule you can make notifications by priority means importance, okay, or by time, okay, how at what time they have been received. Okay, for example, older notifications will be listed behind, okay, and new notifications will be showing first. Okay, so by those priority it will be showing if you select by time. Okay, in this way you can easily change short notifications in your phone Samsung Galaxy A16 5G. That's all friends, thanks for watching, bye.